Hi guys, Lara here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a unboxing and try on video. I'm gonna show you Sezane's summer collection. I am so excited about this collection, not because San Francisco is anywhere close to summer temperatures. It's actually around 9 degrees Celsius here, which is 40 something degrees Fahrenheit. It's gray, it's drizzly, it's cold, but I have a ticket to Europe. I'm gonna go in June. I'm gonna see my family. I haven't seen them in 16 months. So looking forward to spending some quality time with them. And while I'm there, I'm gonna try to visit Paris. Now, if you've watched my channel for some time, you probably know that I have this low-key dream to go to Paris and create some vlog and lookbooks in the City of Lights. And this is about to happen. I'm gonna wear my favorite Sezane pieces. It's gonna be so much fun. If you have any favorite Parisian brands and boutiques that you think I should visit, share the names in the comment section below. Tell me what type of content you want me to create while I'm in Paris. I'll try to make it happen. And before we jump into today's video, I want to invite you to join me on Facebook. I have a group called Zorimori Blog. I'm going to link to it in the description of this video. It's a place where we can chat on day-to-day basis. I share about new collection releases, restocks, sales, everything related to personal style and fashion. I hope to see you there. Without any further ado, let's get into today's video. Alright, first off, I got this free pouch. I use code BONJOURPARIS. I'm going to include the code in the description of this video. I don't know when this code expires, so if you're planning to buy something in the next couple of days, definitely check it out and you might get one of these. They're great for travel. I usually pack my toiletries in them. Or if you don't need it, you can gift it to someone and totally make them smile. Now here I have the Tammi Skirt, and I absolutely love this print. It's called Coral Flower. The skirt has a high slit. It's very light. It moves great. It's a perfect summer skirt. Now be aware that this Tammi runs about a ½ inch bigger than the Tammis that we saw earlier in the season. I don't know if it's just mine or it's like the whole batch, but if you're between sizes, you might want to size down. Now, I don't have that option. I already wear the smallest size possible. So after debating for 2 days, I decided that I'm just gonna take it to the tailor to take that ½ inch away. I think this skirt is definitely a keeper and it deserves to be altered and take center stage in my summer wardrobe. This here is the Jade Gaspard in size extra, extra small. This is the color in daylight, no artificial lighting. I know sometimes we look at the pictures on Sezane website and we're not sure what we're gonna get. I'm really happy with this color. It's not too saturated and it's not too faded. It goes with so many things. It's the perfect shade of green for me, and I'm already like fantasizing all the different ways that I can wear it out. Totally recommend it. This here is the Lara Blouse. I went with my usual size 34 and the design runs big. If you have the option to size down, definitely do so. If you're like me and you're size 34, there is no sizing down. Just know that it's boxy, it's generous, it's flowy. And if that's okay with you, then add it to your cart. You do have the option here to adjust a little bit of the fit with the straps because you can completely untie them and then tie them back up. It's a double layer top. You have the flower pattern, which is the same pattern you get on the Tammi skirt. It's the same exact material. And then underneath you have another layer that's kind of like a beige color, and that is for a little bit more coverage when you don't wear a bra. All in all, I think this is a very fun summery piece. I love it. I'm keeping it. It looks adorable with jean shorts. It looks really good with the cargo green Roma shorts I got. And altogether, I really hope they introduce more patterns of it because it's the perfect summer vacation piece, I think. And I got another pair of shorts. I am having really hard time controlling myself when it comes to Sezane bottoms. I really love how they fit. This here is the Daniella design. Here's a close-up of the pattern. The pattern is very romantic. It reminds me of a high tea. You have a button and then you have like a zip fly. There are pockets on the sides and the back is completely, you know, kind of like clean and simple. I really love this pattern. You have the option to also get a dress in it if you want, or you can pre-order the wool jacket. And I've been just repeating to myself, you don't need any more wool jackets. You don't need any more wool jackets, because I'm super tempted to get one in this pattern. Please let me know in the comment section below if I should really go for it or hold on. And these flats, I really want to share them with you. They're not Sezane, they're a new brand by a woman that I know, and I absolutely love them. They are soft yet structured. They have padding inside, so they're created by a woman for women that are on the go and they want to look chic. So definitely check this brand out. I'm sure we're gonna see a lot more of them in the future. They're just starting out. They have these in many colors. They have lavender, they have gold, they have brown, and they are just a staple that now I want in every color. And then last but not least, I have the Nella dress. I love the brown color with the ecru polka dots. It has this braided detail at the front, and the straps you can tie and adjust as you wish to kind of like play with the length of the straps. I do have the silk version that is white with, it's basically the reverse, it's white with brown polka dots. And I've been going back and forth, like, do I need two of pretty much the same dresses? And I'm still undecided as of this moment. But I have to say, this is a super cute dress. It's very, very elegant. It's very playful. I love the pleats. I love the lightness. And I do think that if you're looking for something that feels a little bit less casual, this could be a great option. Alright guys, this is it for today. Let me know what you think about Sezane's summer collection. Did you buy anything? Are you waiting for anything to be restocked? I want to know. Now, if you enjoy watching this video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Consider subscribing. I would love to see you around more. And don't forget, I'm going to Paris. So in the comment section, leave your content ideas. What do you want to see? Share your favorite Parisian brands and boutiques you think I should visit. I hope you have a wonderful week. See you next time.